Good morning, Don Brewer Super Scientist. It's about 11:30 and I thought I would show you how our seeds have progressed. 38 days ago we planted radish, squash, and watermelon seeds, and I just wanted to take an opportunity to show them all to you. Here are our radish seeds, or radish plants I should say. This is what our seeds matured into. The really exciting part that I like is, and I'm going to get to it in just a second, here's one of the squash plants. We took the seeds, we germinated it, it grew into a seedling and young plant, and now it's into an adult plant. And over here, this is the part that I was really excited about, is now this plant has graduated to the flower producing stage, and then after this stage we will have fruit. And look right behind this flower right there, look at all those blooms that are getting ready to happen. And then you have that one right back there that's getting ready to bloom. That's why you want to have these planted on a hill. That's why you don't want to see how I've got it raised up so that the leaves, or I don't want to say branches, but the vines sort of can basically, it's easier for them to come out and snake along the ground and crawl along the ground while it produces fruit for you. The watermelon plants, that's a little bit of a different story. I don't really see any. I thought I saw one earlier. I thought that there was maybe one. I think it's on the other plant. But this plant is thriving nonetheless, so I'll have to make sure I give it some water later. A lot of people make a mistake of when they're gardening, and their mistake is they water during the day. Like this time of day is the worst time to water, and I think maybe right there might be our first watermelon bloom, or our first flower that we'll have on the watermelon plants. But as I said, you do not want to water this time of the day. You don't want to water between the hours of 10 and 4 o'clock. Water before 10 a.m., you're good. Water after 4 o'clock, you're good, because you can shock the plants by doing that. And what I mean by shock the plants is basically, imagine if you're hot, you go inside and you jump in the shower and no hot water is on, it's just straight cold. You know, you might jump a little bit, or you get that little, it freezes you for a second, you get chilled. Well, you can do the same thing to the plants if you water them too early. So, just wanted to give you sort of another little shot at the garden. There's our radish seeds, our squash. Look at that nice big yellow flower. There's actually two of them in there. That's kind of exciting. And our watermelon plants, they're doing good. Just because we don't have any blooms, that doesn't mean it's the end of the world. But it is the end of this video. So, you guys have a good one, and I will see you guys later.